Hi, my name is Dominic and I'll show you how to integrate your website with PushPushGo in 2 minutes so that you may begin sending web push notifications. There are two types of integrations, with your own domain and simple manual integration. Let's start with the first one. First, create a new project. Remember that the name of the project will be visible to the recipients of your notifications. Next, enter your website address and confirm the integration. Now let's go to the next step, integration of the website. You can do it by yourself or send the instructions to somebody who is responsible for IT support of your site. Manual integration with your domain is the best choice if you want to quickly build your database of subscribers. The advantage of this type of integration is the one opt-in click to sign up for the notifications. First, download the package with the integration scripts that you will place on the root path of the server. After, copy the integration script, which is to be pasted in the head section in the HTML source code of your website. Paste the copied script in the head section. Unpack the package with the scripts and place them on the root path of the server. Now, when you refresh your website, the sign-up form should be displayed. And there you go! The second type of integration is simple manual integration. It is the easiest way to integrate your page with PushPushGo. Unfortunately, it also has its limitations. It is too opt-in where the user must allow twice. This will cause the subscription rate to occur slower than the first option. To integrate your website, first create your project. Then enter the address of your website and choose the language. Remember that the name of your project will be visible to people to whom you will later send notifications. Check if the data is correct and confirm the integration. Choose the simple manual integration in the next step. The next and the last step is to paste the integration script into your website. All you need to do is copy the PushPushGo integration script, then paste it into the head section of your website source, and you're done. Now, when you refresh the page, you'll see the sign-up form for your web push notifications. So you can start collecting first subscribers and sending them notifications. Good luck!